Hi guys, welcome to City Info channel. Today I want to show you how to clear up cache and data on your Nokia C01 Plus. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must go to the settings, in it third option apps and notifications, and there first app info. Now we go to the application which we want to clear, in my case Google Chrome. In it, we press storage and cache, and there we can clean it by when we want clear only cache, we click there, and we clear cache, and when we want clear storage, all storage, we click there, and we must confirm, and we click there, and we must confirm by clear all data, confirm by OK, and that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.